हम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं, हम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं। कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं,
कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं,
कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं।
कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं,
बेर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं,
बेर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं,
बेर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं।
बेर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं।
अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम,
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम्,
अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम।
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम्,
राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम,
रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम्,
ओ राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम।
रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम्।
कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं,
कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं,
कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं।
कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं,
माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं,
माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं,
माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं।
माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं,
माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं,
माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं,
माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं।
माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं।
अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम,
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम्,
अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम।
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम्,
राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम,
रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम्,
राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम।
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, now everyone, please
Join your hands.
join your hands. Go a little far from the screen. Close your eyes. Who all are sitting far? Very good. Now close your eyes. We will start with Ganesh. Sit straight. Vakratunda Nirvignam
सर्वकारेषु सर्वदा
Guru
महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः सरस्वती भगवती
Ma'am, the time. When you will, ma'am, I have a question.
Yeah, I was hearing your sound. It was so beautiful. Okay, so yeah. Come on, everyone, now stand up.
Stand up.
I am not muting everyone today. Let us see. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
So that
Everyone stand up, straight.
Sir, only I have done
Keep
three.
quiet. Keep
Come on,
quiet.
everyone,
Keep
stand
quiet.
in attention position.
अधिनायक जय हे राम सिंह गुजरात तव शुभ तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Bharat
Jai.
Bharat Mata ki
Jai.
I'm proud to be there.
India.
I'm kind to everyone. Thank you, God. Dhara ma'am.
Yes, good morning, ma'am. Yes, good morning, everyone. Today is the turn for grade 2 to share their GK fact of the day and thought of the day. So for the fact of the day, Ahan will be sharing, and for thought of the day, Anushri. So do we have Anushri around?
Anushri, I'm not able to search it. Anushri, Anushri, you're there?
Anushri, you can switch on your video.
Is she there?
Come, Anil.
And who is the other one, ma'am? Ahan, right?
Ahan, yes. He will be sharing fact of the day, so we can call Ahan. We can put him for, yeah.
Ahan, you there?
Yes.
Okay, hold on.
Can you switch on your video?
Sir, it's on.
Video is on. We are not able to
It's
set
not
you.
taking it.
Huh.
Yes,
Yes.
very good.
And
Good.
Anushri, you be ready. Where is Anushri?
Yes.
Keep your name as Anushri so that we can get it.
Yeah, Ahan, go ahead. Can you hear us?
Good morning, everyone. I am Ahan. Today I will tell you about GK fun facts. Elephants are the only animal in the world that cannot jump. Like fingerprint and iris, your tongue print is also unique. The longest muscle in your body is tongue. Most common name in the world is Muhammad. The blood of lobster is blue. The hummingbird, the kingfisher, the loon, the swift, and the girl. These are the birds that cannot walk. Thank you.
Very good. Very nice.
Well done, Ahan.
I like it actually. Very,
Yeah, they were actually fun facts.
very
So, ma'am,
good.
I think Anushri has not joined. I am not able to find. Anushri, you are
Okay.
there? If you are there, please turn on your video. Not able
She
to
is
see
not
you.
joined yet. Okay, let us continue.
Okay, ma'am, you can.
I'll continue. In fact, if Anushri is not there, I will share a thought of the day with all of you. Today's thought from me is: with the new day come new thoughts and new strengths. So every new day brings new thoughts and new strength. It has been said by Eleanor Roosevelt. It was his thought, and I'm happily sharing it with all of you. And I'll start sharing the word of the day, which I usually do. So today's word of the day is enthusiastic. Enthusiastic. Enthusiastic meaning being interested in something, being eager to know or try something. So let me share a sentence about enthusiastic, that we at CIA, we feel that all our students should be enthusiastic in learning. Learning like, as per example, in sports, in exercise, any subject learning, like learning a classwork and finishing their homework, like being enthusiastic in completing your homework. So the word is enthusiastic for today. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes,
Very
we
good.
all should be very enthusiastic to even get success.
Good morning,
Yes.
sir.
Okay.
Now, Bapi sir is here.
All right, let us get back to our exercise today. Okay.
And you all will be getting newspaper, e-newspaper from today. So which I have already shared for today. And Papi sir is here. If you have made the ladder,
See, Bappi sir has already kept a proper ladder in the hall. You can mark it with a small chalk or a marker or a rangoli, whatever you have. We will use this for our strength training. Okay.
and after learning this, you can do it yourself also for another 30 minutes if you want. Okay. Because when sir is taking these training at Balewadi Stadium, I see 5-year children also doing exercise for 2 hours. From 5 to 7, 2 hours children are doing exercise. Okay, so now we are doing only for 45 minutes. So you can do some more time if you wish, but learn it here. Okay, thank you. Thank you, sir. Bapi sir, you can start.
Sir,
Yes, everyone keep quiet. Yes, anyone has any questions?
sir, I have. Sir,
Yes.
don't have ladder. I
Okay.
have.
Okay. Let us start. Whatever you have, let us start. Okay.
Sir,
Yes. Yes.
sir, I have a question.
Okay. Tell me.
Sir, my name is Arnavi and I only made 8 shadows.
That is enough. That is good enough. Okay. Let us start. All right. Very good.
Now we will mute everyone.
Okay. Let us start. Okay. Yes, sir. Sir, we can't hear you. We can't hear you, sir. You are not able to. You are not audible.
Okay, am I audible now?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, fine. Okay, so guys, don't worry if you don't have ladders. So imagine that you have a little space, okay, and you can do the exercises as we do it on each ladders, okay. So if you don't have ladders, don't worry. When you make it later on, you can do those exercises, okay. So but make sure you see and understand what we are doing, okay. That's the first thing. And second thing, those who have small ladders or they have made, let's say, 4 boxes or 5 boxes, it's fine. Everything is fine. You just have to do and increase your repetitions. Okay. So if you're doing, let's say we are doing for 6 times, you can do it for 8 times, you can do it for 10 times, you can do it for 12 times. You can repeat it over and over again. Okay. Okay. So first, all of you will do some jogging, everybody. So this is, don't do it on the ladders, just do it normally.
Start jogging, everyone.
Just jog.
Very
jog.
good.
Yes, good.
Simple jogging. Very good.
Simple jogging. Okay. Now I want you guys to stretch your legs and do stretching.
Sishya, do it. Everybody do it.
Do your stretching, guys. Yes.
Very good.
Stretch to one side, change your sides. Yes. Okay, go down. Keep your knees straight, touch your toes. Okay, again jog. Again jog, all of you. Good. Keep moving your hands. Okay. Keep moving your hands. Relax your body. Okay. Touch your legs. Stretch your legs. Okay. Touch. Alternate toe touch. Eight, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Now keep in the stretched position and stretch your hands and go down. Yes. Good. All of you. Okay. That's good. Okay, now you can see the ladder. Okay, I'll start and first explain what we have to do. Okay, so first exercise will be to simply run on the boxes. Okay, so let's say I'll start from here. Okay, so you have to simply run on the boxes. Okay, and again come back. Again come back. Okay, don't walk. Okay, don't try to walk. Just try to run. Okay, so this is the first exercise. Everybody understood? Is there anyone who's having a doubt? Okay, good. So we'll start. We just have to simply run. We'll do it for 6 times. Okay, everybody? Okay, when you run, don't step on this line. Okay, don't try to step on this line. You have to only step on the boxes. Okay? Okay? Okay, come on, let's go. 1, 2,
Sisha, do it. Sisha, stand up. Run continuously. Very good.
5,
You want run it, beta?
6.
Aksha, Akansha, yes.
Okay.
Very good.
Okay. Everybody. Okay. Fine. Okay.
Sanskriti, go back.
Good. So see, we are doing here for 6 times. I want you guys to later on understand this and do it for more times also. Okay. So this was the first exercise which you just saw. Okay, and this is just for your practice. You can do it later on also. Okay. Now what you have to do? Second exercise is high knees. Okay. So you have to jump and then again high knees on the boxes. Okay. Okay, everybody. Right. So you are running, simply running. Now you have to do high knees. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay, come back again. Come back. Okay. Good. As high as possible. Only on the boxes. Only on the boxes. 3. 4. 5. 6. Okay, we'll do for 2 more times. 7. Last time, 1 more time. 8. Good. That's it. Good one, guys. Good one. Okay. Relax, all of you. Relax for 10 seconds. So those who don't have a ladder, or those who have a smaller ladder, they have made a smaller ladder, don't worry. Okay, you just increase your repetitions. Let's say we did 8 times, you can do it 10 times, you can do it 15 times. Okay. So now we do back kickers. Okay, so we need to kick back. Okay, the same thing, we'll have to kick back, but we have to land only on the squares. Okay, you have to kick back but only land on the squares. Okay, everybody understood? Okay, let's go. Only land on the squares and kick back. Okay, to touch your back thighs. Yes, all of you. Only on the squares. Raise your legs high, touch your thighs at the back. Four.
Everyone switch on your videos.
5.
Ariman, do it. Why are you standing? Go back. Do it, do it. Very good, Swara. Very good.
Very good.
Pranil,
guys.
very good. Pranil, do it, do it. Very good. I can see you.
7.
Very good, Ariman. Very good.
8. We'll do 2 more. We'll do 10. We'll do 10 repetitions.
Very good. Good job.
9.
Swara, beta, stand up. You're doing very good. Mahak, do it. Very good. And do it on the floor, Mahak. Not on the bed. Do it on the floor. Okay, very good.
Okay, very good.
Avni, do it. Do not stop. Avni Gupta, do it.
Okay. Very good, all of you. Very good. Those who are able to do, very nice. Okay. See, the exercise are simple. Okay. You just have to focus on the squares. Okay. You have to focus on the ladder. Okay. So now, if you are seeing the ladder and then you're doing it, it's okay. Okay. Actually, when we keep practicing this, the main focus should not be on the ladders, okay? Because now it's a new thing. We're doing it for the first time. That's why we can see the ladders. But actually, we have to see and look in front, okay? We should not look down and then we should do it. But for now, it is fine, okay? For now, it's the first time. That's why it's fine if you look at the ladders and if you do.
Seshia, stand up. No sitting. Better walk. Okay.
Okay,
Viraj, go
relax
back.
yourself. Relax.
Everybody switch on your videos. I can't see many of the kids. They have switched off their videos. Everybody switch on your videos. Okay.
Okay, everybody.
And
Now,
do it properly. Go away. Ansh, go back. Don't be near the camera. I don't want anybody to be near the camera. Go back.
okay, guys,
Otherwise,
we will do high knees again. Okay,
Vishnu, switch on your video.
we'll start with the high knees again.
Everybody. Very good.
Everybody ready? Okay, let's start with the high knees. Do it
Very
10 times. Okay, let's do it 10 times or whatever times you can. Okay, come on, let's go.
Victoria, do it. Very good.
As high as possible, all of you. As high as possible. Raise your knees. Move your hands. Move your hands.
Do it. Everybody do it. Very
Move your
good.
hands.
Good
Don't
job.
keep your hands idle. Very good, all of you. Keep your moving your hands.
Avni, go back. Don't be near the camera. Go back. Do it. I'm watching everybody. Very good. Do it, Avni. Full energy. Yes.
Everybody, come on.
Yes.
Very good.
Good job, Aisha. I can see it one at a time. Aisha, don't jump long. Small steps. Very good. Aradhya, very good, Aisha. Small steps. Very good. Good job. Mike, do it on the floor, beta. Please do it on the floor.
Okay, last one.
Very good.
Okay, relax, all of you. Relax.
Small steps. Everybody follow everything. All the rules you must follow. No, okay, the way sir is teaching, that's what you need to follow because we're doing first time. Okay. Very nice.
Okay, guys, take it very simple. Okay, don't complicate it. It is very simple. Okay, the whatever exercise we used to do it while standing at the same place. The same thing you have to do it on the boxes. Okay.
Soumitra, stand up. Nobody sitting.
Nobody should sit.
Stand up.
Nobody should sit. Okay.
Very
Now
good.
again, back kickers. Okay. Kick back only on the squares. Okay, all of you. Ready? Come on.
Everyone switch on your cameras. Why cameras are off?
One. Move your hands. Move your hands. Two. Three.
Go back, Tamanna. Nobody is near the camera. Just go back. Very good.
Four.
Shreyashi, stand up. Do it, Shreyashi. Very good. Very good, very good, very good.
Five.
Vyansh, good job. Very good. Do it. Don't wait. Vyansh, don't wait. Very good. Suchir, good job. Reva, do it. Reva, do it. Very good.
Six.
Akansha, do it continuously, beta. No waiting.
No, don't stop. Don't stop. Do it.
Good job, Advik.
Last one. Last one.
Do it. Very good. Very
Come
good.
on. Come on, guys. Full energy. Come on.
Sanskriti, go back. Nobody near the camera. Go back.
Okay, all of you. Okay, relax. Drink little sip of water and keep walking. Okay.
Pranil, don't be near the camera. Go back. Go and take a sip of water. Nobody sit down. Kanak, stand up. Keep walking. Nobody sit down. Walking. Sip of water and walk. Take a sip of water and walk. Ariman, go back. Ariman Rathor, go back. Don't be near the camera. Take a sip of water and walk. Very good. I can see lot of you have designed very nice ladder on the floor. Very good. See this one, Aisha, move away from the camera. Move away from the camera.
Very good, Aisha. Very good.
See this one. I can see the ladder in the hall. Very good.
And it's very colorful also, Aisha. Very
Yeah, you can all make colorful with the tape or a marker or whatever you have. Okay. Very nice. Suchir also have made it. This one, yes, this is with the paper tape. Very good. I have sent a picture of the size of this ladder yesterday. Arnav also has made it very beautiful. Let me see this. Wow, this is very nice. Very creative.
good, Shravani, Arnav.
Very good. Swara, let me see your this thing, ladder on the floor. Yeah, this is also very nice way of to doing it. Okay, I can see it from here. See on the floor, I think on the terrace, she has put this, ladder.
With the chalk, I think, right?
Yes, with the chalk. So you can also put a small marker or something in your hall or a balcony, whichever is bigger one. But make sure that the area is clear. Arnavi has also made it very nice. See this, I can see Arnavi is this thing.
Very good. Wow.
I have sent the size yesterday. You all can see that. Okay, and then see this one is perfect. Aditya Kumar's. This I can see it. Very nice. Very clear. Yeah, so likewise, it should not hurt you. You should put a small tape, paper tape, or something. Very good. I can see Aditya jumping now. Very good. Yes, sir. We can continue.
Okay, all of you. Okay, you will enjoy this one. This is very nice. Okay, we'll have some different type of jumps. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll first show you. Okay, See it very carefully. Okay, guys? You have to start with the first square or the first box, okay? And then you have to jump to your left side, okay? And that is outside the ladder, okay? And then you have to jump inside the ladder, then outside the ladder on the right side. Again, come inside the ladder and then outside the ladder on the left side, okay? So it has to be alternate, left, right, in the center, left, in the center, right side, in the center, left side. Okay, everybody? Understood? Okay, we have to start with the first square, then go to the left, come to the center, again right, again center, again left, again center, again right, again center, again left. Okay, so when you're going to the center, you are increasing the next, we are going to the next square. Okay, see, I'm in the first square, I go to the left, I go to the second square, I go to the right, I go to the third square, I go to the left, I go to the fourth square, I go to the left, right, again fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Okay?
Keep
Is it
moving
good?
forward. Very good.
Okay, yes, you have to move forward. Okay, come on, everybody.
Very nice. Sir, the way sir has shown, do it that way. Sanskriti, go back. Ansh, do it. Very good. Ansh, I'm watching you today. Do it.
Just jump.
Both legs together. Both
Just
legs.
jump.
Together.
Both legs. Both legs.
Move your hands properly. Ashka, do it, beta. Very good. Both hands together. Ishita,
Start with the center.
do
Go
it,
to the
do it.
left.
Ishita,
Center,
do it.
back.
Both legs together. One side, other side.
Very good. Again, come back. Again, come back. Again, start. Right, center, left, center, right, center, left, center, right, center, left, center, right. Very good.
Good job. Very good, Swati. I can see you. Very good. Yana, good job. Very good.
When you're jumping, guys, try to move your hands. Okay? Go towards the left and again towards the right. Okay, then 3 more times. All of you. Come on.
Both legs together. Both legs together.
Both legs
Everybody.
together. Move
You
your
want
hands.
both legs together. You want both legs together. Yes, both legs together. Very nice. Hand move. Hand should move. Both the hands
And
should move.
move. Jump.
Very good. Avni, do it. Go back from the camera. Avni Puare. Do it, do it.
Last one, guys. Come on, full energy.
Ojasi, do it. Very good.
Right, left, right, left, right.
Right. Very good. Very good, Tarush. I can
Very
see
good,
you.
all of you. Okay, that's it. Relax, relax. Relax.
Walking, walking, walking. Everybody keep
Keep
walking.
walking.
Nobody sit down. Keep
Keep
walking.
walking. Keep walking.
Anushri, good job, Anushri. Avani, good job. Walking, keep walking. Tamanna, correct your name. You can't put any other name. I will not allow in the meeting next time.
Okay, I can see that there are 2 people who are doing together. Okay, so for those, keep a distance of, let's say, 2 or 3 boxes. Okay, depending on your height. Okay, so when you're doing it, yes, keep a distance of 2 to 3 boxes when there are 2 people doing it. Okay, very good.
I don't want anybody near the camera. Otherwise, I will remove you from the meeting. Make sure that you are away from the camera. Nobody comes near the camera. Nobody.
Okay, guys. Now, okay, look at me. All of you, pay attention. All of you, pay attention here. Okay. Right now, it's simple. Okay. It is very simple. You have to just simply jump. Okay, forward. Just keep jumping. Just jump on the boxes. On the boxes.
Ashmi, stand up.
Simple.
Ashmi,
Come
stand
on,
up.
come on. Come on, get out of it. Come on, just
Rugved,
jump.
do
Move
it.
your legs.
Good job, Rugved. Rugved, do it.
Move your
Rugved,
hand.
jump.
Move your hand. Jump as high as possible.
Rugved,
Jump. Jump.
watch, sir is doing something different. Don't walk.
Jump.
Jump. Yes. Very good, Apurva. Do it. Both legs together. Move hands together. Very good.
Yes.
Watch,
Just
sir.
jump.
Watch how sir is doing.
Move your hands. Move your hands.
Malar, watch sir first.
Move your hands.
Very good. Move your hands together. Yes.
Very
Perfect.
good.
Move your hands with the full force. Yuvan, move your hands. Tuisha, go back. Nobody near the camera, I said. Go back. Very good, Aradhya. I can see your moving hands. Ashna, go back. Very good. Move your hands, everybody. Ansh, I can see you. Very good. Move your hands. Move your hands properly. Okay. Vishnu, Astha, do it. Don't be near the camera. Don't be near. Go back, do it. Very good. Move your hands both. Aradhya, Panda, very good. Kavya,
Okay,
do it.
okay, all of you, relax, relax.
Super, good job.
Very good job, all of you, relax.
Nobody near the camera, I said. Who is near the camera now?
Keep walking on the ladder. Keep walking. Keep walking, yes. Keep walking. Okay. Okay, all of you, very good job. You guys are doing very good. Okay, you are doing great. Double thumbs up for all of you. Okay. Now, look at me, pay attention. Okay. Look at me, all of you, pay attention, pay attention. This is a different one. Okay. What you have to do is, this is your ladder. Okay, this is your ladder. First, you are facing on the line of the ladder. Okay. For this exercise, you have to turn towards the left side. Okay. Turn towards the left side. And then you have to jump outside, then inside, then outside, then inside, then outside, then inside, then outside, then inside. Remember, you're facing to your left side. Yes, very good. This is, you have to go forward, jump backwards, jump forward, jump backwards, jump forward, jump backwards. Your forward jump will be outside the ladder and backward jump will be inside the ladder. Okay? Okay, all of you, let's go. Jump, forward, backward, forward, backward. Move your hands, move your hands, move your hands. Very good, very good. Keep doing it, keep doing it, keep doing it. Outside, inside, keep moving your hands. Very good, all of you. Very good, very good. Anuma, very good. Move your hands inside. Move your hands. Jump with both the legs. Yes. And move. 3 more times. 3 more times. Come on, all of you. Jump. Look at the square you're jumping in. Don't go outside the square on the back side. Just jump forward, come back. Jump forward, come back. Forward and back. Then move your hands, move your legs together. Should go together. Okay. Take a jump. Swing your hands and jump. Swing your hands. Swing your hands and jump. Okay. Last one, all of you. Last one. Come on. Swing your hands. Come on. Come on, all of you. What happened? Swara, what happened? Come on. Don't stand. Just relax and jump. Okay, don't jump fast. Don't do it fast. Just do it slowly. But do it correctly. Okay? Relax, all of you. Relax. Relax. Okay, you may drink a sip of water. Drink a sip of water. Keep walking. Drink a sip of water. Keep walking. Keep walking until nobody says.
Vihan, stand up and walk. Very good. Vihan, stand up, take a water and walk. Nobody sit down, nobody sits, nobody stands. Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving. Very good. Keep moving. Very good. Arnavi, no talking. Go back. Keep moving. No talking, Arnavi. Not right now. Keep moving.
Keep moving all of you.
Very good. Devansh, keep moving. Apurva, keep moving. Anaga, very nice. Very good. Pavitram, very good. Very good. Vihan, you're sitting it again, beta. You're not supposed to sit. Keep moving. Yes. Take a sip of water and keep moving.
Okay, guys, all of you, pay attention, all of you. Pay
Akansha,
attention.
keep moving, Akansha. Very good.
Okay, so this exercise, okay, we did with both the legs. We jump to the left side, to the center, to the right. Okay, the same thing you have to do it with one leg. Okay, so once with your left leg, you go to the left, again center, again right, again center, again left, again center, again right. Okay, so you go one full ladder, you go with left leg. Okay, then the next time you go with right leg. Okay, all of you clear? Okay, so it is not straight away. Okay, you have to jump to the left, center, to the right, center, left, center, right, center, left, center, right, center, left. Okay, come back and change your leg. Come back, change your leg. Okay, left, center, right, center, left, center, right, center, left, center, right, center, left. Okay, again change your leg. So you have to change your leg alternatively. Okay, one cycle, one full ladder, you'll go with left leg. The next time you go with right leg. Okay, very good. Come on, let's go. Center, left, center. Jump, jump, guys. Move your hands. Move your hands. Give a full swing. Change your legs. Don't forget to change your legs. Come on, all of you. Do it 6 times. 3 with one leg, 3 with other leg. Okay. Come on. Swing your hands. Swing your hands. Keep doing it. Once with left, once with right. All of you. Very good.
Do it. Very good. Very good. Very good. Super good job. Aradhya, very nice.
Okay, last two, all of you, last two. Come on.
Wow. Good job. Very good job. Good try.
Change your leg. Last one, change your leg.
Tejashri, very nice. You are doing fantastic. Avni, we are doing very good. Well try. Go up, do it. Very
Okay,
good.
all of you, relax, all of you. Relax.
Very
Relax,
nice.
good.
Nobody sit down. Keep walking. Relax means keep walking.
Keep walking.
Relax means keep walking. Arnav, keep walking. Very good.
Okay, guys, remember all these exercises. Okay, and you can do it at your home whenever you get time. Okay, you can ask your parents also to do it together with you.
Keep walking.
Keep
No
walking,
need to
all of
sit.
you.
Aisha, no need to sit. Keep walking. It is important that you all walk. Keep moving. Very good.
Okay, guys. The next one. It is simple. Okay, pay attention. Pay attention. Okay, all of you, come back. Pay attention. Okay, so very simple, guys. You just have to jump with one leg. Just jump on the boxes. Just jump, and you will change your leg the next time. And you come back next time again. Change your leg. Change your leg. Okay, just jump on the boxes. Simple. Okay, come on, all of you. Everybody, let's start.
Arnavi, I'll switch off your camera, beta.
Jump. Jump.
Avni, stand up.
Change your leg. Change your leg.
Do it. Change the legs. Do it. Jump in the ladder. One leg at a time. Then change the leg. Nobody stopped.
Swing your hands. Swing your hands, all of you. Very simple. Okay.
Very good. Krishna, very nice. You are in full form today. Very good.
Make sure you don't jump on the line. You're jumping only in the boxes. Okay, those who are jumping, there are two people. The person who is doing at the back, you just check whether they're doing any mistakes. Okay? You should jump only on the squares.
Rishita, Sharvil, yes. Do it.
Very good. Change legs.
Paki, do not wait, Paki. Do it.
Don't forget to change your legs.
Very nice. Good job. Very nice.
Very good, all of you. Very good.
Make a circle, go back, change the leg, do it again. Very nice, Kanak. Very good, Shreyanshi. Very good. Good job, Rudra. Shaurya, good job. Aditya, good job. Do it.
Last one. Come on, boys.
Adita,
Come on, girls.
do
Come on,
it.
boys and girls. Come on.
Soumitra, do it. Very good. Avyuk, properly. Not
Okay,
like
okay.
this.
Okay, all of you. Okay, fine. Very good. Okay, keep walking.
Arush, go back. Keep
walking.
walking. Nobody comes
walking.
near the camera.
Sasya, what happened? Come on, beta. You're strong. Come on, Sasya. You can do it.
Yes,
Sit down.
very good. You are doing very good today. Good job. I'm going to improve your class rating today. Your class rating will be better now. You are all doing very good. Apurva, go back. Nobody near the camera. Very good. Trisha, you are again near the camera. Go back, go back, go back.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, look at me, pay attention. Okay, so the last one, this is very interesting, guys. Okay, but pay attention. Okay, so you have to run. Okay, everybody, you have to run, but you have to face your left side. See, I'm facing this side. I'm not facing towards the ladder. I'm facing on your left side. And what I'll do is I have to run. Again, I have to turn back. Again, run. Again, turn back. Again, run. On the boxes and outside. Okay, I will just keep running. I have to turn and keep running. Okay? Go forward, turn, run.
Viraj, go back, Viraj. Sisha, you are doing very nice today. I can see you. Do it, do it, do it. Very good. Good
Just
job,
turn.
Sisha. Very nice. Twisha,
Yeah.
very nice. Stand up. Do it, do it, do it. You are
Just
strong.
keep turning like a snake. Okay? Like a snake. Keep turning.
Yes.
Okay? Keep
Yes.
turning. Yes, Arnav, very good. You have to turn your body. Just don't go just sides and then go. No. You have to turn your body completely. Then you have to run and cross the boxes. Okay? Turn your body. You don't just go sides. Arnav, you're doing very good. Okay?
Very nice. Somebody go back. Nobody near the camera. Very good.
Just turn.
Somebody stand up.
Turn. Take small steps. Take small steps. Okay? And increase your speed. Okay, increase your speed, take small steps, increase your speed. Very good. Very good. Take small steps.
Good job. Twisha, do it, beta. You're doing very nice. Do it. Very good. Good job, Twisha. Sisha, I can't see you. Very nice. Do it. Very nice, Sisha. Good job. Super good. Fantastic. Very nice. Viraj, good job.
Small steps.
Very good.
Take small steps, all of you.
Anay, no stopping. Apurva, no stopping. Go back. Ashni, what is this? Go back. Very good. Sanskriti, no stopping.
Come back again.
Very good. Good job, Reva. Good job, Reva. Doing it very nicely. Okay. Shreyanshi, do it fast.
Take small steps. Do it faster. Take small steps. Do it faster. Very good. Arnav.
Very good. Good job, everybody.
Okay, all
Kanak,
right.
do it with the energy, Kanak. Do it. You are doing very nice.
Come
Wow.
on, guys.
Rishita, stand up. Ariman, go back. Ariman, go back. Very nice.
Okay, last one, guys. Come on.
Akansha, do it,
Full
beta. No
energy.
stopping. No stopping. Ashna, no stopping. Aradhya, no stopping. Do it.
Full energy, small steps. Move your hands. Good. Very good, very good. Relax. Keep walking. Relax.
Walk now.
Complete it. Very good. All of you, very good.
Aradhya, Panda, go back. Stand up. Walk. Everybody need to walk. Okay. I don't want to see anybody near the camera. Go back. Ahan, go back. Anna, go back. Do it. Walk. Keep walking.
Keep walking, all of you.
Very good. Good job, Tarush. Very good. Arnav.
Okay, guys. Last exercise, last ladder exercise. Come on, look at me. Pay attention. Okay. Very simple. This is side jumps. Okay, you have to face to your left side and then simply jump. This is one side. Okay, left side. Again, next time you turn. Okay, you turn to the right side and then jump. Okay, easy, easy. Yes, yes, very good, Arnav. Arnav and Shravani, I think, together. They're doing it superbly, very brilliantly, all of you. Yes, once left side jump, and then come back, do it on the other side, jump, move your hands, swing your hands, swing your hands. Do it, all of you. Swing your hands, jump on the boxes. Don't forget to change your sides. Remember to change your sides. Face once your left side, once your right side. Four more times, guys. 4 more times. Come on. Full energy. All of you.
Sishya, keep walking. If you can't do that, do it. Keep walking. Keep walking. Very good.
Keep walking, sister.
If you can't do it, keep walking. Very good.
Last one, last one, last one, last one.
Mishka, very nice. Mishka, stand up. Very nice, everybody.
Okay, okay. Brilliant, brilliant, everybody, brilliant.
Sarah, good job.
Good job. Go take a sip of water. If you want to, come back, we'll go for stretching.
Mishka, good job. Good job, everybody. Sarush, stand up. Nobody sit down. Take a sip of water and keep walking. Keep walking. Sip of water and keep walking. Sora Jain, nobody near the camera. Go back. Rishita Sharvil, go back. Take a sip of water and keep walking. Good job. Tamanna, go back. Aisha, don't sit. Keep walking. Ashna, keep walking. Keep walking, Aditya. Nobody comes close to the camera. Very good. Keep walking.
Okay, all of you, sit down, relax. Sit down. Yes. Keep your body straight. Keep your body straight. Keep your knees straight. Yes. Okay. Flap your legs. Yes. Bend, flap. Keep shaking your legs. Shake your legs. Very good. Shake your legs. Very nice. Okay. Now put your leg, one leg. Yes. Stretch. One touch and go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change your leg. Change your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep your legs straight. Both the legs. Both the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Join both your legs, join them, butterfly flap, take it inside and flap it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. All of you. Bend your leg, turn your leg towards the back. Okay, keep your legs straight. Now go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Avyakt,
8, 9, 10. Do it with the
Rishita,
other leg. Do it with the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Aditya, sit down. Vishnu, sit
7,
down. Vishnu,
8,
sit down.
9, 10. Stretch your thighs. Go down on your toes. Pull a few on your toes. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now stand up, all of you. Get up. Get up. Stretch your hands. Touch your toes. 1, 2. Keep your knees straight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Pull your leg up. Pull your leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pull it towards the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. Other leg. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Stretch your groin. Okay. Stretch your legs. Stretch your knees. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Swara, very good. 5.
Good job, Advay. Very nice.
Sasya, very good. 8.
Dakshit, very good. Well try. Do it properly, Dakshit. Very good.
8. Thank you, all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Very nice exercise today. Very nice. Thank you, sir. Everybody is very happy. Show thumbs up. Everybody is happy with this exercise. You're all happy. Smile. Very nice. Good job. Show both thumbs up. Very good. You are all so strong today. Very good. Eat healthy food today. And look at this schedule for today. Everybody. So this is the schedule for today, books distribution. Okay, the van will start from Pakkad, it will go to Tarulata branch outside the main road that you can pick up. And then Pimple Saudagar, it will make round from Shivar Chowk to Kokne, Kunal Icon, Rose Icon, Govind Garden up to 1. Okay, so every place it will stay for 10-15 minutes. Okay, and so help to pick up all the stuff. And then it will go to Hinjewadi, Pashan, and Sujgaon. So we will keep communicating this on the WhatsApp. Okay, I've also shared Didi's number, and we will also try to share the tracking so that you can watch the tracking also. So anybody has any questions? I muted everyone. Arnav and Shravani, we will send it to your home. I know that you are in lockdown situation, so we will send it to your home next week. Don't worry. Okay, anybody has any questions? I will. Parents, if you have any questions, you can unmute yourself.
No.
Hello.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yes.
Sir, what is that?
Kids.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I have a question. Teacher home.
Okay, all the okay, all the kids. Bye bye. Okay, only parents will stay back. You all log off. All of you log off. The parent will staying there. All the children can disconnect now. Parents will be there.
Morning, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, for the kids for whom we have already collected books yesterday, we need not to collect anything, right?
No, there are some.
For which grade, sir? So science worksheets were not printed yesterday. So science worksheets are additional thing. Also for grade 3, 4 and 5, legends we have kept. So legends can also be collected.
So if possible, there is additional material, please collect it. But if not possible for you today, you can take it from Wakad branch also on Saturday, tomorrow.
Sir, I have a question.
So let me just complete this. Please wait a minute. See what we have. There are a lot of parents collected the material, but we couldn't give a printout. Some of the printouts were left. Yesterday, the stapling was not done. So we have all that got ready in the van. You can pick up if possible. Otherwise, we will send it later also. For grade 2, 3, 4, and 5, there is a lazim. That we want to give each child one lazim that they can practice at home. So you can pick up that also if you have not done it. For 3, 4, and 5, grade 3, 4, and 5, there is a soap bar. Keep quiet, beta, 1 minute. And for 3, 4, and 5, there is a small soap that we want them to.
Soap base is there. We will be taking one soap making session also with them. So soap base is given for grade 3, 4 and 5. Legends are given for grade 2, 3, 4, 5. So and worksheets from grade 1 to 5 all. So science worksheets were not ready yesterday.
So if you can pick up, that is fine. And grade 4 and 5, there is a small carving, wood carving tool set that you can pick up.
Yeah, but you don't have to give that wood carving set to children. It will be with parents until we give any other further instructions.
Okay, so anyone has any questions? We can.
Prince, this is Jagannath, Alok's father.
Yeah, just a minute. Yeah, Alok. Yeah, please continue, Alok's father. Yeah.
Yeah. Can we get this book from the Tathavade branch only?
Yeah, we can. Bhaiya will come. So,
If you can't pick
few
up today,
children are near this. We can send, no? They can.
so can you pick up from a Lakshmi Chowk today or no?
Yeah, definitely we can.
Yeah, so there is a stop at the Lakshmi Chowk at 2:30. He will stop at the Lakshmi Chowk, Hinjewadi. You can pick it up from the van. It will be easier. And yeah, anyone else has any question?
Prince, this is
sir, in case we are not able to pick up today, in that case, from where we can?
Yeah. So I will come to that. So there is a on Saturday there is an option to pick up from Wakad branch.
Yes,
So so we will keep.
That sounds good, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Prem sir, regarding showing ID card, like we have to show our
Parents. Yes.
Okay.
Sir, this is Arash.
Yes.
Sir, I wanted to know that if the van is coming or maybe going from the Wakad branch, can I collect from somewhere between?
Which location, ma'am? Which location?
Rhythm Society, Kalewadi Fata.
Okay. Ma'am, you have only the printouts, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So,
Only
ma'am,
the-
you collect it tomorrow because the tracking will not be easier because Pimpla Sudhakar, we don't know how long it's going to take and all of that.
Okay.
So you will be almost worried the full time actually. So you better take it tomorrow. We don't know how much time it's going to take today, and there may be some to act.
Okay, sir.
And
Sir, this is Aral's father.
Yes.
Hello. I wanted to know, like, for how long the van is going to wait at a desired location?
Yeah, approximately 10-15 minutes. That's the reason I have not mentioned it, because somewhere you have more parents, somewhere we have less. So it's approximately 10 minutes is what I am expecting. It may be up to 12-15 minutes if required. Especially for example, Rose Icon, it may station for 20-25 minutes. But other places, I think 10 to 15 minutes is good enough.
Okay, and the numbers which you have shared in this mobile number, they
Yes.
would be available, right?
They will be reachable, and we will try to see whether we can enable the tracking of their mobile. I'm not sure whether that will happen or not, but we'll try.
Okay, fine.
So
Okay.
you can track that on the GPS. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Sir, I have a question.
So, sir, should we have to call to the Didi?
No,
or
no.
She will
No,
call
so-
us.
No. We will keep messaging if there is any change in the schedule. Otherwise, you just follow this timing. I will ask Didi to message on the group or message me, and then I will put it on the group. So you don't need to call. Didi we will try to follow this time schedule. If there is any change, then we will communicate.
And most of the books will be come, right? For today itself?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, when will
Ashni's father, actually, my society is also on the lockdown. So I have sent you a separate message for it.
Yes.
Okay. So once the Bhaiya comes, then he will call us, right?
Which society you mentioned? Can you repeat that?
It's Oriate in Pimple Saudagar. Oriate Society in Pimple Saudagar.
Oriate. Okay. So can we coordinate by giving it to somebody in the Pimpla Saudagar? Oriate.
I mean, if he comes to the gate, right, we can go down and collect it. Not a problem. But just like if he calls before 5 minutes, so that way I'll be ready and I'll go and pick up.
Which I'll have to tell him exactly which how do you need to reach there.
It's near Rose Icon actually. So
Rose Icon.
Yeah.
Okay. So Rose Icon, he will be stationed. So is there any friends out there you have in Rose Icon who can pick up the material? Not possible.
No, actually that will not be possible.
Okay. Let us talk after this actually.
when will we get our skates?
Not sure.
Sir, Nilesh here.
Would like to know what is the fee structure for the for first standard, and what is the tentative schedules for that, because we have to accordingly plan our payment suitably.
Nilesh, sorry,
Om's father.
Okay. So I will share the PDF that has the full fee details. It is 80K first year, and there are 3 installments: July, October, and January. And this will be updated in the school diary app, which will get enabled in next 1 or 2 days. We are working on that. So everything will be on the school diary app.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
ये मम्मा पापा
Sir,
से
any specific location in Pashan or Chitgaon where the van will be coming?
No, I can't hear you. What you said?
Any specific location in Pashan or Chitgaon where the van will be coming?
Any specific? I'm not able to get your question.
Okay, like where in Pashan it will be coming, because it's a very big area.
Okay. Pashan, you're saying okay. So Pashan, because I don't know where is the maximum. What is the area that I was thinking there is a circle next to the Reliance Mart.
Yeah.
I think that circle is where we will station the cab, the van actually. It will
Okay,
be
that should be fine. So that is in midway basically of Pashan.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, sir, this is Devan's father. We stay on the Kunal Icon Road. So our location is between Kunal Icon and Rose Icon.
Okay, can you take it up from one of these 2 locations? Because driver will get confused actually. I can ask them, but they will all get confused if I add something in between.
Okay.
So I will in fact have to explain this also. Kunal Icon is exactly where they need to stop and all of that. If you can pick up from one of this, it will be both places. You have 1 hour, almost 40-50 minutes. They'll be there.
Okay, sir, no issues. Yeah.
So, sir, you are also distributing the books for first class?
Everybody, all those who have not collected yesterday, they can pick it up from here, grade 1 to 5.
Okay, so I'll ask one of the parents. This is again Ashni's father. Our society is under lockdown. So I'll ask one of the parents. I'll coordinate with them, and then I'll message you separately if they can collect on our behalf.
That would be much better, because I will not be there with the driver. We will have to just take
Yes, I understand. So I'll coordinate and I'll tell you then. Message you.
And they are new to the area, right? So you can just help them from Kunal to Rose Icon and all of that. I will explain, but you can help them again.
Sure. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. All right.
So, will we be having some this vehicle tracking, or through the group
I will try that. I will just go and check with the drivers, whose mobile is this thing. So I will enable and share that. Okay. And assume that you're not able to pick up, tomorrow Wakad branch will be open, so you can pick up from there also. It's not that, Okay. Thank you, everyone.
So what will be the timing for Wakad branch? Will it tomorrow?
Tomorrow, it will be around the same the way we did it yesterday. So from 10 to 2 or something around that time, we'll keep it.
Okay, fine.
Thanks, everyone. I'll message the timing for tomorrow also.
Sure.
All right. Thanks.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Sir, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
My